Welcome, bots, algos, and people of interwebs. This is the Thursday's edition of The Analyst. Today we're taking a problem statement from W3 Resources, AdventureWorks Exercise. This would be exercise 11. So, problem statement reads as follows. From the following table, write a query in SQL to find the person's name, whose last name starts with the letter L. Return business entity ID, first name, last name, phone number. Sort results on last name and first name. Okay, so this is the solution. First select statement is selecting all fields that should be displayed. Phone number as person phone is a specific column in person.person phone. So from is saying which table to pull the data from. Person alias as P. Now we need to join two tables. Person.person and person.person phone. Reason being because first name and last name is in one table, and phone number in another table. So we join these tables with a common field, which is business entity ID. So we say join person as join person.person phone as ph. That's the second table. On p.BusinessEntityID, which is person.person table, equals ph.BusinessEntityID, which is the person.person phone table. Now we're searching for the last name that begins with L. So we say where last name like L. The percent sign here specifies beginning. All last names beginning with L will be sent to the result set. And to conclude with the last request of the problem statement, order the result set by last name first, then first name. Thank you for watching.